Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. Today, since the weather is getting kind of cool outside, cold in some places, we live in a warmer climate, so it's cool for us. Here's our vitamin content. But sure, very cold many other places. We're going to make a sweet potato soup for you. Yeah, you heard me. Sweet potatoes, not just for the holidays, not just for Thanksgiving, but make a wonderful soup with it. And here are our list of ingredients. So, Ian, you're going to start making your sweet potatoes.
Okay.
So Ian's going to make the base for our soup, and he's going to saute his onions. So he already has some olive oil in the pan. Now he's going to put his onions. And once it starts to become translucent, Ian's going to add his butter. You're going to add your butter in?
Yeah.
Wonderful, Ian. All of it. I'm going to actually give you some of the seasonings or something.
Okay.
You have to come from the onions first and the base. So, let's go with a little bit of cinnamon. So we're going to take, not all of it, we're just going to take probably 3 pinches.
3 pinches?
Mm-hmm. 1 pinch of love. Oh, Ian, those are big pinches. Forget it.
One more.
Put your nutmeg.
Okay.
1 pinch, Ian.
Little one, right?
Yeah. Okay, 1 more. Yeah, you go. You give extra love anyway, so it doesn't matter. Here you're gonna add the whole thing of the cayenne.
Oh.
Keep stirring.
Cayenne, huh?
Yes. Now you want to put some of your Himalayan salt. You want to do 1 big pinch.
1 big one?
But for you, it's gonna be a pinch and a half, I'm sure. Yeah, I figure that.
There you go.
Black pepper, the same.
Black pepper.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
All right. So what you want to do is that you now want to dub your whole sweet potatoes. And then you want to just mix that up before you pour your broth on it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's wonderful. And we're going to mix your broth. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I wish we had smell-o-vision here that you could smell that wonderful cinnamon coming through with the nutmeg. Okay, so you see how all your potatoes are now coated? Look at that.
Yes.
Yeah, I see the spices on it, so that's great. All right, Ian?
Yeah.
So now it's time to pour your broth. You call it big baby.
Yeah.
Now you just want to kind of stir it. Make sure it's all covered. And you want to put your lid, and this is going to cook for about 20 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're going to put it in the blender. I have a blender. It's not a Vitamix, but it's just as good as a Vitamix. Our sweet potatoes are nice and tender, so we can ladle it out and put it in our blender so we can get a nice, smooth, creamy sweet potato soup. So, remember I had mentioned to you that I had a special trick for you with the avocados, because avocados love to oxidize. So I've already taken our avocado out of the pit and I've mashed it. And all I did was put some of the nutmeg, some of the cinnamon, and right here we just have some black pepper and Himalayan salt on top of it, sprinkled on top of it. So the trick is to take your little seed and put it in water, in a bowl of water, but put it next to your avocado that you're going to be using, whether it's diced, smashed, slices. You want to have the water next to it, and that prevents it from oxidizing for a long time. So that way you have some time where your smash avocados, as this is going to be, because it's going to be a smear spread for my bread that I had showed you earlier with the turmeric and pumpkin seeds. Or again, if you have it in slices, but this will keep it from oxidizing for a long time. That's our trick. Now we're off to Ian, who our sweet potatoes are all cooked up in our chicken stock, and Ian is going to put it in our wonderful blender. And so Ian's doing this now. We want to make sure that we get our chicken stock as well in there. Because we need that liquid to help liquefy, keep our soup thick, but still has the soup consistency of it being a thicker soup as well. Now, we are going to put it back because we have the heavy cream in it.
Yeah.
So we just want it to like cook up for like 2 minutes or so.
Back in
the pot.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. It's okay. You'll get your spatula.
Yeah, I'm finished. Okay, we'll leave it at this.
Here is our hot soup, the sweet potato soup.
Yeah.
And of course, my favorite thing, bacon.
Yeah.
And I made turkey bacon for you.
Yes.
Because you can't eat the real wonderful bacon. So I have regular bacon, but our soup is the same. And here's our avocado, smashed avocado, that of course I had to top with my favorite thing, bacon. And here's our bread that we had earlier with the turmeric in it. This sweet potato soup is creamy and smooth and velvety and absolutely delicious. Just the right amount of nutmeg and cinnamon added to this with a little tiny kick of that cayenne. It's absolutely delicious. It's a must try. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.